Right, so I'm going to make you my lobster risotto, which is a signature dish. So we got some shallot, some garlic. I've got some really good carnaroli risotto rice. Here I've got some lovely Cornish lobster. And to finish off, we've got spring onion, basil, butter, parmesan and orange, and then we'll put a little bit of seasoning in there as well. I've already got some veg stock, which you can also buy, but it's very easy to make some veg stock. First thing you need to do is get some oil in the pan, and then a little bit of butter as well. Okay, so as soon as your butter starts to bubble, in with the shallot. What we're looking for is just to soften the shallot. We don't want any colour on it. That'll take like 1 to 2 minutes. Just get it nice and soft. And then I've got some chopped garlic. Now once that's softened, after about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, we're just going to add the rice. So make sure that you coat every grain of rice with the oil and the butter. If you don't do this process at the beginning, what you'll get is essentially just boiled rice. You can't stop stirring. It's good for the muscles, this one. Okay, so the rice now is starting to fry. You can hear it. And that's just frying in that oil and the butter. That tells me that it's ready for the stock. Now the key to risotto making as well is just add the stock in small quantities. What you want to do is keep the stirring, and what you'll do is you'll create a lovely creamy finish. And this takes 14 to 15 minutes, so you better get your arm nice and strong for this one. Still got a couple of minutes off, but we've still got a lot of these other ingredients to add. So first thing I'm going to add to the rice is the lobster. This needs to be warmed through for about a minute, so that's going to go in. I'm just going to give that a bit of a stir through. So I've cooked that lobster just probably about 2 or 3 minutes under than it should be to be cooked. So I knew that it was going to go through the rice. Whilst that's warming through, we're going to just cut the basil up. I'm going to add some more butter to it just to finish it off. And also a bit of parmesan as well. And just stir that into the rice until it's melted. We've also got the spring onions. And then I've got this lovely fresh basil. I know it's going to need some pepper, so I'm going to add a little bit of pepper to it. And then finally, the orange segments that have just been cut up into smaller pieces. Now I'm going to do one more thing before I serve it, and that's give it a taste. It needs a pinch of salt. Okay, so that's it. Just going to plate this up. You will see every ingredient in there. You can see the lobster, you can see the orange, you can see the basil and the spring onions. For me, it doesn't get better than that when you're eating lobster. I might look like I could eat it all, but I can't. So guys, come in here and try this.